Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Toronto in the beautiful country of Canada. Today we are getting behind the scenes exclusive access of some of the best hypercars in all of Canada. Now the locations are highly undisclosed locations, so I'm gonna have to, I'll see you soon, I'm sorry. We are entering the ultimate Ferrari Batcave. If you guys are standing up, I suggest you sit on down. Check this out. Dun dun dun. We have, count it, 2 Ferrari F40s and the legendary Ferrari F50. Are you kidding me? How sick is this underground Batcave? So we have the legendary F50. They only built 349 of those. And Phil, the owner of this collection, he has 2 F40s because, well, in the comments below, if you could ride in an F50, an F40, or a black F40, which would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. I have been to some cool garages in my life, but nothing is quite like this. We are lifting up from the Batcave with the F40 up to the main floor. We'll say a goodbye to the F40 and the F50, and we are riding up into the main garage. Also, yes, that is an i8 Roadster right there. What? This is the coolest thing I've ever witnessed. No way. That is how you get your F40 out of the garage in style right there. It's an F40. We gotta feel it. What? No way. Welcome back to 1991. I don't know if you guys can hear the turbos, and now you can hear it pop, and she gets angry in the early morning. Whoa. Gotta be straight. One more time. This is the last one for the vlog. I don't know if you guys could tell, the back end, she didn't have very much traction, but we're good. I do apologize, it's not very graceful getting in and out. I wish you guys could be here to experience this car. I mean, new twin turbo cars, the power is so linear, whereas an F40, man, when those turbos kick in, they hit you, and they hit you so hard. I mean, just check out this car. So this is not a factory black, but Ferrari of Japan did paint this car black. This is not the Gas Monkey Garage F40. This car looks so sinister. 4.7 liter twin turbocharged V8. So in the funniest sequence in the vlog ever, Phil is asking the Ontario police if he can do a burnout, because if you don't ask, you don't know. So more to come. No way. So we got the green light. Oh, hello. How's it going? There's what Phil just left of the tires from the F40. Such a cool garage setup. I'm always trying my best to hook you up. Well, Phil is really hooking us up. I'm doing absolutely nothing. But we're gonna get a cold start up on the legendary Ferrari F50. Oh man, you can tell she's angry. We're gonna get a cold start up on the Demon as well. 840 horsepower. Here we go. She's properly loud. I don't know if you guys can tell. That's what a car that can do a wheelie will do. You're just getting cold starts after cold startups. This is the i8 Roadster. Probably, I wouldn't have high expectations for the 3-cylinder. This could be right, this could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is 100% correct. This is the first i8 Roadster delivered in Canada. I think the Roadster looks so much better than the coupe. You got like these flying buttresses right here, and I think on the coupe they look a little bit odd, whereas the Roadster, it just fits the design oh so well. Super cool bronze color as well. The 1 of 200 plaque right there. Thing is sweet. massive, massive shout out to Phil. Be sure to go follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna link his Instagram in the description below. We are going to continue our day exploring the best that Toronto has to offer. This is my Uber right here. We are flexing with the Model X. Let's do it. This is full. Okay. We're gonna do round two. We're letting the Volvo in front of us just get a little room. That is such a crazy sensation because there's no sound attached to it. That's nuts. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Good luck on your journey.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, there is the coolest Uber driver ever with a Tesla Model X. If you guys are wondering why I'm in Toronto, I am well, I'm not really competing, I'm participating in the Ace of Spade rally with Anthony from Mad Whips. You OG subscribers, you'll remember last year we did it in a 540C, a McLaren 540C, and this year Anthony has picked up the 911 Carrera 4S. Anthony, my man, manual transmission. Hashtag save the manuals. It's gonna be a good week. If you thought today's video was effectively over, nope. Per usual, I'm trying my best to hook you guys up with the most exclusive content on the interwebs. I also want to give a special shout out to you guys. We hit 900,000 subscribers. And so I guess you might say, this is the 900K special. We are doing some sneaky stuff in the 6 tonight. More to come, more to come.
2 hours later.
Welcome to a highly undisclosed location somewhere on Earth. Somewhere on Earth. Are you kidding me? What? Look at that place. No way. As we have arrived to the coolest garage in all of Canada. No way. Yep, we are headed straight to the Centenario. You know you have a ton of cars when you just have like a little basket just full of supercar keys. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the key to Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, the only one in Canada. I don't know if this is a joke. I haven't quite confirmed 100%. I may or may not be backing this out. More to come, more to come. Yeah, 100% have confirmed that I'm going to be shortly driving the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. This one is full exposed carbon fiber. You guys know the stats, you know the figures. This is the most powerful production Lamborghini ever built, one of only 20 Roadsters in the world. What is going on? This is, yeah, here we go. This is actually low-key happening right now. No way, I'm like shaking right now, guys. Extremely careful getting into the Centenario. You OG subscribers, you'll remember I drove one of these, a blue Cephas one, about a year ago, and I think I said that day that would never ever happen again. 561 kilometers, this thing is brand new. That is how we do it. That is a cold start up on a 2018 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. How is this happening? How is this happening? Anthony, hooking it up. Where do you want it, Zach?
We're gonna go around the fountain here,
Okay.
and then just park it right up here.
So, yeah, 2 minutes ago I was, I don't know, talking nonsense, and now we're driving a Centenario Roadster. I really don't have anything to say, except for a massive shout out to the owner. Like, I cannot thank you enough for this opportunity. Here we go. Okay, before I get in too much trouble, probably should shut her down. Dude, no way, how did that just happen? You OG subscribers, you remember Zach. I am his personal photography assistant today, so he just asked if I could back up the car just a couple feet, so I'm going to oblige, as you do when you have the keys to a Centenario. Welcome on board your Centenario. Oh, thank you so much. So kind, so courteous. I don't even know really what to say, but it's a Centenario Roadster finished in full exposed carbon fiber. What do you guys think? This is the 15th one I've seen in the world. There's only 40 of them, This might, I don't know, I say this every time I see one, this might be my favorite. Just the subtlety mixed with the red interior, that full exposed carbon fiber. You got the red roll hoops right here, and Girth Nation. Goodness gracious, Girth Nation, have yourself a day. Good morning, good evening, and a good night. Slowly and ever so carefully move it forward. Also guys, never film while driving a Centenario Roadster, but I'm a highly trained and paid professional. Zach is hooking me up now. He's gonna rev it for the viewers. Here we go. Oh, you can feel the heat. Okay, he's getting into it. Oh my goodness. If you guys think that a Centenario is an Aventador S, trust me, it's not. There's no Aventador S that sounds like that. Oh my goodness. Lamborghini, you are the MVP. You're the MVP. You did not cheat us right there. Let's go. Nice. Sadly and unfortunately, our time with the Centenario Roadster is done, but I cannot thank the owner enough. Like, unreal opportunity. I gazed for this, man. Couple more revs just for the viewers. Centenario, as always, it is a pleasure. And yes, I realize I probably said Centenario like 3 dozen times in today's video, but when you get an opportunity to drive one, it's kind of fun to say. Also, we have the Aventador SV Roadster there in matte black. We have the LP640 Roadster, and we have the Carbon Series 675 LT Spider. Man, what a collection. Canada, Toronto, hooking us up. Lock her up and put the key back in the basket. Centenario number 15 in the books. What a garage, the ultimate Batcave right there. Actually, I just realized that is going to effectively end today's video. What a day, Toronto hooking us up. A black F40, a Centenario Roadster. In the comments below, let me know if you could have one car in today's video, which would it be? As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.